First of all, I want to express our deep appreciation to the President of the Republic of the Philippines and Commander-in-Chief of Armed Forces of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., to the Superintendent, Philippine Military Academy, Lieutenant General Rowan S. Tolentino, Philippine Army, along with the other senior officers gathered here today. Good morning, or in our dialect, Marajaw na buntag sa ato tanan. Being declared the valedictorian of our class is both an honor and a privilege, but it also carries a significant responsibility. Throughout my cadetship, I simply focused on enjoying the experience, never imagining that I would have the opportunity to deliver a valedictory speech in front of the President, our Superintendent, and the entire class. Undoubtedly, perseverance and unwavering determination have propelled me forward. However, I must acknowledge that none of these accomplishments would have been possible without the support of my Tatay Valid, Mama Inday, Uncle Bambi, and his family, to my buddies, squad leaders, to my first class. And I am also deeply grateful to my underclass buddies, to my squad mates, and bong to my mista, who always believed in me during moments of self-doubt. To my roommates, Doom, Stavo, Mesa, the last DM Caps, Gauros, my strongest, Foxmates, tactical officers, non-commissioned officers, instructors, mentors, and our class advisor, Colonel Afan. Your help during my most challenging times has been truly invaluable. Most importantly, my heartfelt gratitude to the Almighty God for the strength, guidance, knowledge, and wisdom bestowed upon each and every one of us. Throughout our cadetship, our class has been commonly known as the pandemic babies, since we began our plebehood year during the rise of the COVID-19. This period was marked by the introduction of various protocols and safety measures to combat the pandemic, resulting in a distinctive reception rites quite unique among the other classes. We diligently adhered to social distancing guidelines and made face masks, face shields, and hand sanitizers an integral part of our basic load. With regards to our academic pursuits, we adjusted to online and modular learning approaches, enabling us to continue our studies inside the academy. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic, we were unable to partake in the traditional and cherished events of the academy alongside our parents and other visitors. Celebrations such as the reception, incorporation, sunset parade, and recognition were not experienced as we had anticipated. However, we found solace in celebrating these milestones with our buddies, squad leaders, first class, kabayans, and mista. But today, as we graduate, we stand on the hallowed parading grounds, Borromeo Field, finally able to see our parents, friends, and loved ones, watching us with pride as we reflect on the 4 years of successes and failures that shaped our journey. Now, we find ourselves in the final hours of our 4-year cadetship. The challenges of waking up to the early mornings of Baguio, the thin air, slopes, manongs, viands, SOC, and our cadetship in general are drawing to a close. New beginnings await us beyond the walls of this academy. Mista, we are about to confront the realities of the world outside, where our individual journeys will lead us to different units and diverging paths. However, let us all remember that we will forever be connected by the 4 years of shared challenges and camaraderie we experienced together in the academy. I sincerely hope and pray that we will uphold the values of courage, integrity, and loyalty instilled in us by our alma mater. May we find success in all our future endeavors, safety in all our operations, and excellence in every aspect we undertake. Today is the day we have long awaited. Let us go forth and serve our nation with the character, skills, and education that the Philippine Military Academy has nurtured within us. Pro Deo Populus et Patria, for God, the people, and the country. Thank you, and once again, good morning.